Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today marks a new beginning. As you might have seen in the intro, the name Smartphone Tutorials is something very special for me because that is how I started my YouTube journey. As you would have seen in the intro, we started with a screen record and then we took one entire year, yes, a complete year to get just the first 1000 subscribers. And then in the second year, by the time we completed the second year, we were at 10,000 subscribers, and then by the end of third year we were at around 15 or 16,000 or 12,000 subscribers. And then some bad things happened. I had to take a pause from YouTube for a year, do a job and stuff like that, gather the resources and start the channel again. And in August 2020, start the channel again we did. Since then it has been an amazing journey. The channel is growing, although it is not growing at the pace at which I would want it to, but that is the reason you see these many devices on the channel. That is the reason you see me trying new stuff all the time, things like live streams, and these experiments will just keep getting better. Now what this means is you will get access to more content, more variety of content, quality content, and a lot of other things. Now, as you would have seen in my videos, you won't see me coming in front of the camera because you guys are here for these devices, these gadgets that you own, and what we can do with them. Now, the term smartphone tutorials for me has a special place, and as long as I'm on this planet, it always will have a special place in my heart because it was conceived by me, it was an idea, and today we have more than 18,000 people believing in it. It really means a lot to me. We do have more than 3.4 million views, and yeah, we are doing a lot of stuff actually. But now we move into a new stage, a new era wherein we need to simplify things. We need to push this channel as a brand, and I need your support in that. That is where the term PhoneOps comes into the picture. Now I'll tell you the truth behind why exactly this was done. What was happening is the name of the channel, Smartphone Tutorials, it's amazing. The reason it was named like that was because we are going to teach you things that you can do with your smartphone, which probably not everyone else would. And in fact, when we started this channel, there were maybe 1 or 2 channels who used to even talk about routing. So the idea was, very rare at that time. Now we have 10 other channels doing that, but I'm glad others are doing it in different languages, different ways for different devices. I, of course, cannot go ahead and cover all the devices. So if I were to tell you, go ahead and search my channel Smartphone Tutorials, the way you would spell it would be smartphone, that is SMARTPHONE, TUTORIALS. Now that is where the essential problem is. Everybody used to spell it like that. There are 4 or 5 other channels by that name, and nobody used to get access, or they were not able to find my channel or our channel because it has the number 2 in between. So we wanted to change that. We wanted to be more widely and easily recommendable and available. At the same time, as I announced a couple of months back or 1 month back on the channel, we are coming up with our own line of mobile phone cases, smartphone covers or screen protectors and all the other accessories. So it will be a line of smartphone accessories and gadget accessories for everyone. We are actively working on it and it should be launching soon. At the same time, we are coming up with our own website. So if you have a problem with the video, go to our website. The written format of that video will be on the website. So if you are a subscriber here, we will push you there so that you can read and follow the instructions at your own pace. If you think reading is boring, come to our YouTube channel and watch it. So we will be a blog, we will be an e-commerce website. We have partnered with Amazon and a couple other websites. We are getting registered in all sorts of places. So trust me, a ton of things are happening and we have some exciting stuff planned for this year, and we really wish to make this really exciting for you. And yeah, I think it'll be worth. A lot of you have been giving me suggestions. A lot of you have been actively participating in the channel. People like Raise Neil, Issue, people who have taken memberships. We really appreciate your support. This is going to be a talking head video. We are coming towards the end of it, but it was necessary that I address the elephant in the house as to why did we rebrand from Smartphone Tutorials to PhoneOps. PhoneOps is now not only a YouTube channel, it is soon going to be a website, it is soon going to be a mobile accessories, sort of a line, and you never know, if things go as planned, in the future you will actually have a line of clothing like t-shirts, water bottles, which have very, very quirky codes related to custom ROMs, Android versus iOS, and all sorts of fun stuff. So I do have a lot of things planned. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this rebranding? I will need all the support from you guys, and the last 3 days I was busy, changing all the naming, logo, intro, and all the stuff. That is the reason you did not see any uploads. But from tomorrow you will have a daily upload, and almost every single day, or at least an alternate day, we will have a gaming live stream. A lot of exciting stuff coming for you guys. Thank you very much for your support. Stay tuned, keep supporting. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials, and now known as PhoneOps. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.